He sits on the edge of the couch, scrolling, waiting to feel ready. The dim light stretches long across the room. Time moves. He does not. Other people's wins, projects, bright lives pass beneath his thumb. He waits for a spark, a feeling he calls motivation. He tells himself, I will start when I feel it. The work remains untouched. Minutes bleed into hours. Blue turns to black. He knows deep down this feeling is a fickle guest. This scene is not unique. It plays out everywhere, every day. We have been taught to worship motivation, to wait for the right mood. But feelings change like weather. You cannot build on storms. Motivation is a glorious tailwind. Until it isn't. A productive life cannot stand on the sand of fleeting feelings. Motivation is a wonderful visitor, but a terrible master. On good days the words flow, the miles fly, the problems unravel. We look back and think, if only I could feel that way every day. So we chase a feeling instead of chasing progress. Truth, action often comes first. Motivation follows. At the gym, getting there is the heaviest rep. Start moving, warm up, feel your breath rise. Something shifts, action creates momentum. Momentum breeds belief. You leave more motivated than you arrived. Waiting is a passive strategy. Doing is active. Work only when you feel good and you ride peaks and valleys. Progress is built by small actions, repeated. Imagine growing a garden by relying on the weather alone. Some days sun, some days rain, and then drought. Depend on motivation, and your garden withers. A wise gardener builds a system. Water daily, pull weeds, enrich the soil, protect fragile sprouts from pests. Goals describe results. Systems create them. Goals set direction. Systems make progress. You do not rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Pre-decided rules, automated actions, friction removed. Make the bad choices harder. Small, repeatable steps compound into remarkable results. At the core of every system are habits. Repeat a behavior until it becomes automatic. Habits are blocks in the system of your day. Systems break big goals into small, repeatable habits. 20 minutes, at home, mon wed fry, before coffee. The decision is already made. Follow your script. Cue, Monday morning, routine, 20 minutes. Reward, your coffee. Write 250 words a day, 1 language lesson at lunch, 1 appreciative text to your partner. We say, just use willpower, as if brute force were a plan. Discipline matters, but it tires like a muscle. Hold a beach ball underwater, relax for a second and it pops. Decisions drain willpower all day. At night, you default to easy options. Systems preserve willpower. They reduce decisions. Make the right choice the easy choice. Don't fight cake at home. Don't buy it at the store. Feelings are fleeting. Systems are structures. Wind is feelings. Rowing is willpower. The motor is your system. The motor works regardless of wind or current. The goal is a more disciplined environment, not a more heroic you. Consistency is the engine of compounding growth. 1 workout, 1 page, alone they're tiny. Repeated, they're unstoppable. Create a chain of unbroken successes. Make it so easy you can't say no. Instead of 30-minute run, put on shoes, step outside. Instead of 20-minute meditation, sit and take 1 deep breath. Track progress visually. Don't break the chain. Evidence you're someone who shows up. Use triggers. After I pour coffee, I write 1 sentence. Close the loop with a small, immediate reward. Your brain learns what, that was good, let's do it again. Turn habit formation into a game, not a chore. We think choices come from character alone. In reality, your environment silently steers you. Design can be a tailwind or a headwind. The best performers design spaces that make action easy. Make cues for good habits obvious and attractive. Hide cues for bad habits. Add friction. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Want less phone? Charge it in another room. Log out. Block sites. Raise the effort to drift. Lay out clothes. Place the water bottle. Clear the desk. Hide snacks high. Unsubscribe from temptations. You are the designer of your daily life. Imagine your life 1 year from today. You did not wait for lightning or rely on heroics. You became a quiet architect. You started silly small, shoes on, 1 sentence, then you did it again and again. Momentum grew. It became part of who you are. You added another small system and designed your space. You didn't chase perfection. You chased consistency. The evolution felt steady, almost quiet. Your skills are sharper, your health better, your work steadier. Systems carry you, especially on the hard days. Stop chasing motivation. Action creates it. Choose a system. Start today.